Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for being here. I appreciate you. This week I'm working on a fairly simple 3-color swipe pour with some really cool colors, and actually this swipe might be one of my nicer ones in the past little while. So initially my first color here is some Fluorescent Pink by Liquitex, in addition to some Blue Violet as well by Liquitex as well, and lastly my Oxide Black by Amsterdam, which I don't normally use as a swipe color but thought I would give it a shot with for this nice contrast to the fluorescence and also the light blue. So from here, enjoy this process and we'll see you in a second. Now I hope this week you guys have enjoyed the process of how the swipes work, minus all the commentary, which sometimes is just not necessary. So this swipe was quite fun. I really enjoyed how the Oxide Black reacted with the pink. It gave some really cool cells and lacing off the hop, and as I set it down, I was really quite pleased with how things went. I really tried to stretch the pink back and forth as best I could to get into the middle or bottom third, I suppose, of the blue. So I think with the Oxide Black, it did its job with my cell activating idea anyway. So I was happy with how this one turned out. I think there's some really cool lacing in it, lots of beautiful cells, and the colors, although very simple, led to a very beautiful outcome. So this pour in my books was a ton of fun. I enjoyed it. I hope you guys did too. And if you have come this far, click that like button for me and help this video spread to more people that may enjoy it. And if you have any comments for me, please feel free to drop them below in the comment section below, and we will chat again next week. In the meantime, check out this playlist here, and I'll see you again in the next one.